goes through the final later this morning.
Furthest team, the last boat on the end. Yeah, it's hard to see them. They're moving along with the red team. They're moving. They're neck and neck last with the red team with that red boat. Uh-oh. Not anymore.
That's
yeah, last with the yellow.
Yeah, it all depends on the speed.
Near side TLC rehab physical therapy. Far side. Lane 5 looking to book a place in the final. TMI Red Devils.
Boy, they're digging hard too.
Pretty
in sync.
Keep going! Keep going! Making relax now, that last 40 meters.
He's got to beat that drum faster.
Lane 5, TBS Red Devils. We'll see them later in the final. They hit the line now. Downtown Hospital.
Okay.
All right, 10 o'clock teams. I'm going to go get your bracelets now. Make sure that you know which team you're on, Chef Juan and Twin Marquis. One of the things you want to do when you're racing, especially if you're racing for the first time, make sure you don't watch any other team. I can tell you last year in my first race,